Today we are discussing interview questions for ServiceNow, Service Mapping, and Discovery. You can download the complete list of interview questions from the link provided in the description. Our interview question based on ServiceNow, Service Mapping, and Discovery is: explain the concept of discovery sensors in ServiceNow Service Mapping. How are discovery sensors used, and what role do they play in the discovery and mapping of configuration items (CIs)? Your answer should be: in ServiceNow Service Mapping, discovery sensors, also known as probes or sensors, are scripts or mechanisms used to collect information about configuration items (CIs) during the discovery process. Now see the points. First point, data collection. Discovery sensors are responsible for collecting data from devices in the IT infrastructure. They execute commands or queries to gather information about the properties, attributes, and relationships of CIs. Next point is probe execution. Discovery sensors are associated with specific probes, and each probe is designed to collect a particular type of information. Probes can include commands to be executed on devices or queries to be sent to databases. Next point is attribute population. The data collected by discovery sensors is used to populate attributes of CIs in the Configuration Management Database (CMDB). This includes details such as operating system, installed software, network configurations, etc. Next point is custom sensors. While ServiceNow provides a set of pre-built sensors for common scenarios, developers can also create custom sensors to collect specific information based on organizational requirements. Next point, sensor dependencies. Discovery sensors may have dependencies on specific discovery credentials to ensure proper authentication and access to devices. Discovery sensors are fundamental to the discovery and mapping process, allowing ServiceNow to gather detailed and accurate information about the IT infrastructure. Our next interview question based on ServiceNow Service Mapping and Discovery is: how can ServiceNow Discovery be configured to handle the discovery of assets in a software-defined networking (SDN) environment? And what considerations are important in this context? If you are preparing for any ServiceNow-based certifications, you can download the current, valid, and updated questions from the description. Now moving towards the answer. Your answer should be: configuring ServiceNow Discovery for SDN environments involves: first, utilizing probes and sensors designed to interact with SDN controllers and devices. Second point, integrating with SDN controller APIs to collect information about network configurations. Next point, defining patterns that capture relationships between SDN components. Next point is adapting discovery configurations to handle dynamic changes in SDN environments. Next and last point is collaborating with network administrators to ensure connectivity and access to SDN devices. If you are preparing for any ServiceNow based certifications, you can download the complete list of valid, tried and tested questions and answers from the link provided in the description. You can also download the complete list of scenario based questions from the link provided in the description. Do you have any better solution in your mind? Please write that in the comment section. We can discuss it further. If you want to go for any ServiceNow based certifications, you can find the current valid and updated questions tutorials in the description. All the best.